So with the garlanding the portrait of Acharya Swamiji, followed by Dr. C.R. Banerjee, Honorable Member, Managing Committee. Swami Bibi Viswanatha Maharaj, General Secretary, Bharat Sevakrama Sangha, garlanding the portrait. The march past.
Whoever is there, and all other respected teachers, my dear students. Today indeed is a great occasion, and I must give thanks to the school authority that they have given me opportunity to come here and have the participation in this great festival. I am privileged to come here on this occasion. This is 65th anniversary of our independence, which have started from 1943 with the dedication of a group of people, patriotic people who have dreamt of a true free country, which ultimately culminated on 1947, 12 o'clock midnight, when our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal ji have signed this treaty of free India. Now we are the citizen of the sovereign country. Freedom has come to us. We are all celebrating this day throughout the world. In all schools and colleges, this is being celebrated with much pomp and greatness, and all the industries, commercial and public,
participated in the 1857 Indian Rebellion movement against British with Tatya Tope as her mentor.
Bhagat Singh threw 2 bombs inside the Central Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1929 and started the Inqilab Zindabad revolutionary movement.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Azad Hind Force and started the national movement in India in order to liberate India from the British rule. Prithvi, a surface-to-surface missile, was first launched on 25 February 1988, guided by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Agni 5, an intercontinental ballistic missile ranging from 5,000 to 5,800 km, was first launched on 19 April 2012.
Gandhiji was an apostle of peace, non-violence, truth and satyagraha. He launched the Swadeshi movement with non-cooperation against the British rule in India.
Swami Vivekananda was the first religious leader in India who spread peace and harmony through the principle of Atma, the doctrine potential divinity of the soul. He also worked for the social and religious harmony in India. Founder and mentor of Bharat Sevashram Sanghas, Swami Pranavanandaji Maharaj united the nation and laid stress on intelligence, truth, strength and integrity of the mind and soul.
Principal, New Horizon Institute of Technology, who happens to my ex-colleague also, respected Swami Vilsanandi Maharaj, respected Swami Siddharthanandi Maharaj, respected our colleague and managing committee member Sri P.K. Rai, Dr. C.R. Banerjee, all respected guests and parents and guardians, our respected Senior Vice Principal and Acting Principal, Sri Mrs. Sarkar, respected teachers and my beloved students. Today we have assembled to celebrate the 65th Independence Day. This is the day on which we attain the independence of the country. The independence, though we have attained, but we can attain the full independence only when we attain the independence of and purity of our body, mind and soul.
भारत माता गुलामी की जंजीरों से जकड़ी हुई अपने स्नेही सहपाठियों के द्वारा एक प्रफुल्लित स्वतंत्र वातावरण में श्वास लिया। अतिथि देवो भव में विश्वास करने वाला, धन संपदा से समृद्ध सोने की चिड़िया कहलाने वाला भारतवर्ष एक लंबे समय तक कुछ आतताइयों के चंगुल में फंसा रहा। इसके फंदे फिरंगियों के हाथों में पड़कर और भी कसते गए, जहां जीना एकदम मुश्किल हो गया। इस कुचन को महसूस किया भारतवासियों ने और इसे स्वतंत्र कराने के लिए अपनी एड़ी चोटी का दम लगा दिया। यह उनका जुनूनी था जिसने खुदीराम बोस को फांसी पर चढ़ने के बाद पुनः जन्म लेकर बार बार फांसी को चूमने का आग्रह पैदा किया। सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने भी जहां भारत की सुषुप्त आत्मा को झिंझोड़ा और भारत की आजादी की कीमत भारतवासियों के लहू से लगाया। स्वतंत्रता दिवस महज एक त्योहार नहीं है, आदर्श और उत्साह मनाने का जरिया नहीं है, बल्कि भारत के उन फौलाद जैसे सीने में समाहित वीरों की कुर्बानियां हैं, जिनमें महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, भगत सिंह, सरदार पटेल जैसे लौह पुरुष ही नहीं, बल्कि कोमलांगी कहलाने वाली नारियों ने भी अपना कर्तव्य को प्रदान किया। उन्होंने नारी संगठन का निर्माण कर भारत की आजादी में एक नया आयाम कायम किया। कन्याकुमारी से लेकर कश्मीर तक, बंगाल से लेकर गुजरात तक सभी आजादी के रंग में रंग गए। तब जाकर हमें यह सुनहरा दिवस यूं मनाने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ। हमें उनकी कुर्बानियों को भुलाना नहीं चाहिए, बल्कि उनकी रक्षा करनी चाहिए। भारत आज हर क्षेत्र में अग्रणी है, चाहे वो विज्ञान हो, खेल हो, शिक्षा हो, व्यापार हो या अन्य क्षेत्र हो। तो आइए आज हम इस पावन दिवस पर यह प्रतिज्ञा करें कि हम अपने इस भारतवर्ष को एक खुशहाल देश बनाए। हमें वह नवयुवक हैं जिन्हें अपने पूर्वजों के धरोहर को संभालना है और एक युग से दूसरे युग तक ले जाना है। अतः इन्हीं कस्मों वादों के साथ मैं अपने वक्तव्य को समाप्त करती हूँ और यह उम्मीद करती हूँ कि ये सिर्फ कस्मे वादे ही बनकर ना रहे, बल्कि हमारे जीवन में आत्मसात हो। धन्यवाद।
मधुनाक्त मुतशश मधुमत पार्थिवं रज मधु दौलस्तु नपिता मद्दीर्घावो भवन्तु नः। ओम अहैतुकी प्रेम घन दिव्य मूर्तिम आचार्य रूपं प्रणवं नमामि। Most Honorable Chief Guest Mr. P.K. Chakravarti, Principal, New Horizon Institute of Technology, Durgapur. Honorable other guests, dignitaries, respected Acting Principal Mrs. Jayanti Sarkar, Honorable Rector G.N. Prasad, respected all the teachers and most beloved parents, guardians, and most beloved students of Pranavananda Vidya Mandir and Goirik, on the occasion of 66th anniversary of our Independence Day, I convey my greetings and love and affection to the students, to you all. Today we are proud to say that we are independent. We have got the sovereignty. We are not under any foreign rule. We are the citizen of independent India. Hundreds of years, our motherland India was under British rule. By the hard struggle of our patriots, we have earned the freedom. So many young patriots like Khudiram, Kanailal, Prafulla Chaki, Binoy Badal Dinesh, Chandrasekhar Azad, etc. was hanged. Thousands of freedom fighters dedicated their life for the cause of freedom of our motherland India. What was the source of their inspiration? How they have inspired to dedicate their life? Inspiration was there from Bhagavad Gita. They were regular readers of Bhagavad Gita. They know Vasansi Jirinani Jatha Vihaya Navani Grinnati Naruparani Tatha Surirani Vihaya Jirinani Annani Sangjati Navani Dehi Nainang Simnanti Sastrani Nainang Dahati Pavaka Na Chainang Kledantapo Na Shasayati Maruto Acheddoyam Adajyoyam Akleddo Ashashayivacho Nitya Sarvagato Sthanu Asoloyang Sanato. As men casting off worn-out garments, put on new ones. So the embodied one, after casting off worn-out bodies, enter into others that are new. Weapons do not claim the Atma, nor can it be burned by fire, wet by water, or dried by the wind. This self is uncleavable, incombustible, and neither wetted nor dried. It is eternal, all-pervading, stable, immovable, and everlasting one. Jatasya dhuvar mitu dhruvam janma nitasya tasmat apariyaryarte natang sachitam mahasi. As death is certain for those who are born, even so birth is certain for those who are dead. You should not therefore lament over what is inevitable. Khudiram will be hanged next day morning. Dilar asked, do you know he will be hanged? Khudiram replied, I am not a body, I am Atma. I have no death and no birth. Patriot Kanailal will be hanged. It was found that his weight has increased. He is not worried about this. He knows he, that is Atma, is eternal. He will never die. They know that there is death for this body only, but not for his soul. They know very well the teachings of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Inspiration comes from here. You know, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, leaving his Elgin Road's house at night, he not forget to take his Bhagavad Gita and the picture of Goddess Kali and the Rudraksha for his meditation. It was the source of his strength. We require strength for the struggle for the independence of the country. How we have acquired this independence? Huge blood has sacrificed by our heroes and patriots. Jivan mrityu payal bhittu chitta bhavanahim. On this holy occasion, I shall appeal to all young students to think of your sovereignty. Thousands of young people left their schools and colleges for the independence, for the sovereignty of the country. I am not telling you to leave the school at once, but I shall tell you to keep in mind to save the sovereignty of the country. For this reason, we are looking for your dedication. Enemies are waiting around you. Your country in danger. You acquire strength. Go through Bhagavad Gita and understand it. You will get the solve of any problem of your life. Our struggle is continuing. We will serve the country for a powerful nation. We will work sincerely for the development of the country economically and politically. Economic development is most essential for the country, and politically we will be more strong. I shall not take you more time, but you will be a perfect citizen of the country. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Swamiji.